This is a step-by-step tutorial until, well, the point when it's not anymore. First, you need plants, for which you need pots. Second, you will have a look at the website of the best Swedish export, a DIY store called IKEA, and order some Bösenberg pots. Honestly, I do not know what IKEA stands for. After 3 days of counting every second till they arrive, right in front of your doorstep. But pots are fragile things, and postal services do not know much about delivering fragile things without breaking them into thousands and thousands of pieces. So they were broken. Like your heart in that moment. Followingly, you decide to take fate in your own hands and send it back because you are smart. You order them again and hope that life will not give you lemons again. But karma is a beep. You know the ending of that. So DPT delivers you broken pots again, and you reclaim the pots again. 15 minutes later, you get a mysterious call from a nice lady from IKEA, kindly asking you whether you really want to send them back again, because their delivery condition will always be broken, and that you can keep them for free and just throw them away. Throw them away? No way, because fixing things fixes you. Full of life, you decide that broken things deserve to be loved and taken care of. The spirit of Kintsugi suffuses your thoughts, and you start to upcycle your IKEA pots.